Hey you guys, what's up? So it is that time of the year again. The Ipsy icon box is here. So if you'd like to see what's inside, then just stay tuned. A little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this box to try. All right, so opening up the Ipsy icon box, the first product that we have is the Tatcha Rice Wash. This is a cream cleanser with Japanese rice powder and a pH neutral amino acid base that washes away buildup and impurities, not stripping the skin, but leaving it soft, supple, and moisturized. This smells so good, you guys, and left my skin feeling so luminous and just overall so soft. This is actually the first Tatcha product that I've ever tried. I've heard about this company for years and years and years, and I've wanted to try them. I've just never really gotten around to it. So yeah, I'm in love. All right, so the next product in the icon box is the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. This has collagen amino acids in it and plumps the skin surface to minimize wrinkles and fine lines with just one use. It's going to revolumize the skin and give you that youthful firmness. Next in the box, we have the Patchology Flash Patch Patches Gels. And these are going to brighten up your under eye in just 5 minutes. And this is going to help reduce the appearance of dark circles, hyperpigmentation, and dull skin, all while cooling and invigorating that under eye area. Next in the box, we have the Aloe Glow System Super Fruit Moisturizing Body Lotion. This has amla, arnica, and coconut oil in it, and it nourishes, hydrates, and illuminates the skin. You guys, this smells so good. It almost, to me, smells like limoncello, which I find it's so weird because it's got coconut oil in it. You would think that it would smell like that, but to me, it literally smells like lemon cake or limoncello. Smells so good. Next, we have the Ace Beauté Hydrating Face Primer. You guys, I absolutely love Ace Beauté. I actually filmed a Instagram reel the other day using one of their palettes to create a fall-inspired look. I just love them. Next, we have the Danessa Myricks Beauty Dew Wet Balm Highlighting Face and Body Balm. You guys, the packaging is so stunning on this. This is in the shade Rose Water. Whoops. And it looks like that. It is so gorgeous. And the product is just as beautiful. It's like a very creamy, dewy highlighter. So what I did for this product, since I have more oily skin, I kind of used this as a highlighter base and applied a powder over top, and it is so pretty. If you really like that clean girl look and are a minimalist with your makeup, then I could definitely see you trying this out and absolutely loving it. Next, we have the Pat McGrath Labs Dark Star Mascara. And you guys, I am so in love with this packaging. It's so super punky looking. Love it. And here is what it looks like outside of the box. Very sleek. Pat McGrath Labs. And yeah, so far so good. I'm loving this mascara. Last but not least, in the icon box, we have the LYS Beauty Speak Love Glossy Lip Treatment Oil Duo. You guys, I love the LYS primer. I can't remember what it's called off the top of my head, but I am in love with that primer, and I've been meaning to replenish it and buy another one, but I haven't gotten around to it. There are 2 shades in here. One is called OG and the other one is Lovable. And they look a little something like this. Here is OG and this one is Lovable, and I do have Lovable on my lips today. Well, that is it, you guys. The Ipsy Icon box is a quarterly box that comes 4 times a year. And inside this box, you get 8 full-size products. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another icon box to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.